Good morning, everybody. Again, sorry, my internet went down. I'm using my hotspot right now. So as I was saying, so I was starting with ES. We have a lot of economic data coming in this week. We got JOLTS, FOMC, jobless claim, then the job numbers on Friday is coming. We're still super bullish on daily and weekly. What's interesting on ES, we got the light blue bar on the 4 hour. Need to get a golden cross for a crazier run up. It's still in the wedge that I shared last night. 5 minutes MACD is golden crossing. It's just mixed signal right now. Futures are very flat. And NQ almost same thing. What's interesting about NQ, we got a yellow bar on the TTMS squeeze. If the 4 hour MACD golden cross can get very interesting on techs. We got a lot of earnings coming in this week. It's still super bullish on daily and weekly. And Dow Jones, 4 hour kind of flat there, still very bullish on there and bullish on daily and weekly. RUT, it's all about that FOMC. If FOMC market likes it and TNX jumps, if the TNX falls, and RUT, IWM or RUT, and they 4 hour and daily MACD golden cross, small caps can go crazier up. Otherwise, right now they're just holding up inside a very tight wedge. DXY is a little bit green, running up a little bit. Pre-market 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour is bullish, and the daily MACD is still very bullish, but we got a two dark blue bar, and the weekly is curved up, and right now is opening above 103,676, which is not good. But keep in mind, DXY is strong, but in general, if you look at the SPY and QQQ and ES and NQ, they're not dumping yet, and which means they're holding up strong. We had this situation in the past that DXY was very strong, was running up, but market wasn't diving down. So in this situation, you want to wait for the DXY pullback. Once it pulls back, market can rip up higher. Just a possible scenario. TNX 1% lower, which is good for market. Pre-market, the 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour are looking bearish. We got dark blue bar on daily. MACD is a little bit curving down. If it goes below 40.42, market can get really interesting. All about FOMC. Two key levels to watch is 40.42, 41.68 this week. And weeks, I'm not sure why it's like this today, but it's 5% higher today. Weekly MACD golden cross confirms. We don't have a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze yet, and pre-market right now 5, 15, 30 is curved down. So it's all about two key levels to watch: 14.14, 13.73. If 14.14 passes, next targets are 14.79, 15.86. If it goes below 13.73, market can get a squeezy, and next target is 13.07. SPX, it's all about 49.06. If it can break that one, then next main target is 49.48.95, and 48.86 has been a tough level last few sessions. Every time it passes, a little bit dive down, but 48.66 has been that's a key level you want to watch. If it passes that one, 48.54 can come. Apple, pre-market right now, again, not clear direction, not so many good news last week. Two key levels to watch today is 197 and 192.25. Breaks either one, can make a bigger or bigger move above 192. 193, 94 is the next target. If 199.7 can hold it, those are the next target you want to watch. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comment. Sorry, I'm going fast. Market is opening soon. Amazon, still very bullish in the 4 hour daily and weekly. Watch 160.7. 07. If it passes that one, we're looking at 161.46, 163.71 next target. Pre-market 15.30, not so bullish, so it's all about direction and open. If it opens and jumps, it can go to 161.46 easily. If it can hold 151.21, next support is 157.82. Nvidia 4 points higher. AMD got an upgrade, so maybe that's helping it. 615 key level to watch. Past that one, 619 and 625 next target. If it opens and falls, 612, 608 next supports to watch. If 608 can hold it, 603, 595, 598 and 595, those are the next target. Until the 4 hour is not golden cross, 4 hour MACD is not golden cross, don't expect a crazier run up. Right now is going inside a tight wedge, that as I shared yesterday. AVGO doesn't have a volume pre-market, so hard to tell. BABA, 4 hour not golden cross here. Daily MACD is in general is bullish, weekly curved up. So watch 75.37. If that one breaks, and 76.38, 78, 79, 65, those are the next target for this week if it's 75.37 breaks. Netflix was super strong last week. 4 hour is golden cross already. Pre-market right now 15.31 hour is downward but is holding up still. So watch 574. If that one passes, 576, 578 next key levels. Above that 579, 582 and 584.71. If FOMC is good, 600 easy come this week for Netflix. Below next support level to watch is if it falls 569.29. Below that, those are the levels to watch. Meta pre-market 15.31 hours downward, 4 hours already dead cross and downward, but is holding up between these levels and 392 and 396.95. Breaks either one can make a bigger move above 396, 398, 401, 404 or 404.76. If 392 can hold it, 387, 384.33. Tesla 1 hour is still on the golden cross. Oh wow, 4 hour actually golden cross, and still very bearish on daily and weekly, but I love that the 4 hours golden cross. And keep in mind, every time it drops, premiums on the puts goes higher, but at the same time, every bounce up, every small bounce up, they kill puts very fast. So algos are confused right now how to price it. We'll see what's gonna happen. Watch 186.91. If that one passes, we're looking at 189.11 next target, and above that you can see the next levels. If it goes below 183.35, it's not gonna be good. Pre-market 515 not clear direction. If 30 MACD dead cross, another fall it comes. But I love right now that the 1 hour and 4 hour looking bullish. Microsoft all-time high. Pre-market hit it, so it's just about if the past pre-market high 407.49, we're looking at 409, 411.63. But yeah, just keep that in mind. It made a new all-time high, so it's showing some strength. If the 4 hour MACD golden crosses and past 410, it can go crazier. Above 411, 415, 420.1. If FOMC is good, job report good, 420 easy come there next this week. Google new all-time high last week, all about 152.76. Need to pass that one for a crazy run up. 4 hours already dead cross, is still very bullish on daily and weekly, but pre-market 15.31 hour not so bullish. So watch two key levels of 151.55 and 152.76. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. You can see the levels there. AMD got an upgrade again. That's just a normal there. Every day getting upgrade except Friday. 180.23. If it passes that one, 181.77, 183.31 next target, and those are the higher level if it goes crazier. If again 179.28 can hold it, these are the supports levels you want to watch. Boeing. Some small good news coming in again. 4 hour got a golden cross, 1 point higher today. Watch 208.57. If it can pass that one, back to 211.95. Pre-market not clear signal, but I like that the 1 hour, 4 hour is upward. If it falls again, 205, 203 next support, and below that, those are the next levels to watch. SPY still in the tight range, hovering around 487.32. If it jumps up today, 488.49 and 489.84, those are the next key level to watch. Needing to pass 489.84, getting crazy. 485.76 is a major level that's been holding last few sessions. If it drops that one, then those are the next support levels to watch. It's still very bullish on the 4 hour daily and weekly, and I like that the 4 hour we start getting light blue bars. So QQQ to 4 hour, I love it that they got a yellow bar there. Watch 425.08. If that one passes, we can go back to 428 and 431.55. Below 423, those are the next level. 420, 418, 417. Pre-market again, futures are very flat, but VIX is very green, DXY is green, so there's a little bit mixed signal. We have to see market actions. IWM need to pass 196.97 or 193.97 for a bigger move. If FOMC good and pass 200, 206 is easy to come. Below 193, those are the next support level to watch. Airbnb was crazy last week on Friday, and it's kind of in a breakout. 4 hour daily weekly is very bullish. This is my favorite setup. When daily and weekly are very bullish upward, and the TTM squeeze and MACD, and then once the 4 hour MACD golden cross confirms, sky's the limit. It's a signal for another jump up. But right now, key level to watch is 150.93. Pre-market right now 15.30 is kind of flat. 1 hour is not dead cross yet, so if it opens and jumps past 150.93, next target is 153.93, and those are the higher level. Adobe kind of flat there, 4 hours dead cross. What else you got here? That's pretty much the it for the main names. What else? Everything else is kind of flat. So LLY close to all-time high again. Need to pass 645 to go to 648.47, and then if it passes that one, next major is 658.28. I like it that the 4 hours in the golden cross mode, and daily MACD and weekly are on the edge to have a golden cross. What else? That's pretty much on the major names. Yeah, so DLTR got an upgrade. Um, that one, I don't have the levels right now on it, but keep an eye on that one too. SoFi finally made money, and this one, if it jumps and continues higher, 991 is the next target. Above that, we're looking at 1074, 1208, 1342, looking very bullish on 1530 1 hour. So if this one opens 991 for high, like most likely is gonna come out open. Past 10 is gonna, those are the next target. And iRobot got a big dump because Amazon is cancelled. Zim got a news that got an upgrade, I think by JP Morgan or something. I don't have levels on this one, but 1537 is the high of season. If past that one can get interesting. So far I went over it. MSTR, the last one. It's all about 500. It was very bullish on Friday, and TTM squeeze and daily we have yellow bar from Friday, so keep an eye on the 505.79. That's the pre-market high. Past that one, 508, 520, 34. This one went down crazy after the Bitcoin ETFs. So if 520 passed, those are the next target. I forgot to went over BTC. BTC, we still have a daily, we have a yellow bar, and 4 hour looking bullish. Weekly was close to having a dead cross, but right now it's diverting up. So but pre-market right now, BTC doesn't show that much strength. 1530 1 hour is downward. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, have a lovely day. Sorry about my internet went down for the first live.